is my best experience actually. Okay, I learned a lot of the DGR. Okay, whereby before I came here, I know nothing about DG. Okay, but today, yes, of course, DG is one of the important lesson need to be learned.
It was a very good experience. Cantik tempat dia. Cantik is very good. Learning environment is very good. Yes, I will suggestly recommend this training to my other colleague also who is dealing with shipping and also the receiving lah.
Sure, kalau ada kesempatan, I recommend with another staff to go to MAB to learn about this.
The trainer is very kind and very helpful and able to understand all and also share her experience, all the story, everything. Yeah.
Encik Zuhaili ni sebelum ni kita jumpa dalam online je lah. Bisa sekarang ni kita jumpa depan, okey lah semua, okay, semua faham. Dia pun dengar apa yang kita bagi tahu, apa yang kita tanya, dia jawab semualah, boleh. Okey.
Yes, I just try today, and honestly, it's my first try with what you call a VR. Okay, it's a best experience actually. Highly recommended.
Yes, I'm try virtual reality. I also first time using that VR. So quite good. No words. My first experience dengan VR ni. Tapi very good lah sebab kita akan adapt dengan learning environment yang happy, which is members also boleh help kita and then sharing dia punya knowledge kan, so kita boleh discuss and then of course kan, dengan virtual reality tu kita akan lebih rasa efektif deal dengan real situation.
Actually, it's the first time for me to try the VR. This was nice. Actually, can physical experience on the more visual and activity. Yeah.
Boleh hilang mengantuk. Menarik betul. Benda baru betul. Kami suka dekat situ.
DGR training is a